Hi, today I'm going to show you how to turn your child's drawing into an animation. And we can easily do this through the CapCut app using the AI Generator tool. Open up your CapCut app and find the AI Generator icon. Choose AI Video at the top. Click the plus icon to choose your photo. Now choose your child's drawing and import it. You have a couple options on this screen. I chose to change my aspect ratio, and then I'm just going to click the big blue button to generate. Now, I don't know if it's just because this is a newer feature to CapCut, but this did take a long time to finish processing. It probably took me about 10 minutes for the AI generator to finish. And that's it. Now hit play and watch your drawing come to life. Now what I wanted to do here is I can change the sound and click Choose Music at the bottom. From here, I can choose one of CapCut's sounds, or I can even go into my own library and choose something that I have downloaded to my device previously. So I'm going to choose my happy birthday song that I recently put on my phone and add that to my clip. Happy birthday to you. And that's it. Now this child's drawing is now an animation.